Friends, today in our class we are going to study about Auguste Comte. Let's start our class. Auguste Comte was the father of sociology. He was a French philosopher and a writer who formulated doctrine of positivism. He says the emergence of sociology it emerged because human beings recognize a new set of objective facts concerning their society, such as social disorganization, development of slum, poverty, etc., which they could not explain in order to deal effectively with them. When Comte spoke of sociology as the queen of science, he had the general unifying nature of science in mind. He only felt that with the growth of positive knowledge, all sciences can be brought into relationship with each other. So Comte wanted to reorganize society on new lines. He felt that, he felt that the momentous changes taking place in Europe, especially the France, will have to be accompanied by new principles. These new principles will have to integrate and balance the different aspect of human life. Thus, for him, the discoveries of social laws which explain these principles of changes in society were very important. So, Comte talked about sociology as a science of society, but also believed that it must be used for reorganizing society. Comte wanted to develop a naturalistic science of society, and this idea, the science who would be able to explain the past development of mankind as well as predict its future course also. When we saw in terms of the scope of study, Comte divided social life into two points important. That was social static and social dynamic. This idea he borrowed from the subject biology, which it is the keeping with in his notion of the hierarchy of science. So we understand what is social static and social dynamic. What is the meaning? When the first we study social static, the static sociology studies the condition of the existence of society, while the dynamic sociology studies the continuous momentum, continuous movements of laws of the succession of individual status in society. And he also says that the static studies the social order and dynamic studies the social change or the progress in society. Understand, Comte was on the waves the development of human mind passes through three stages in all the societies, which he termed as the law of three stages. Important, it is the important work of Auguste Comte. The law of three stages. The first stage is the theological stage. In this stage, he says, according to Comte, human mind at this stage, this level, supposes that all phenomena are produced by the immediate action of supernatural beings. The second stage is the metaphysical stage. Human beings pursue meaning and explanation of the world in terms of the essence, ideas, focus, in other words, on a conception of some ultimate reality such as the God. Understand, the third stage is the positive stage. Human beings seeks to establish laws which link facts and which also govern social life. So the this is an important work of Auguste Comte, the law of three stages and social static and social dynamic. The another important work of Auguste Comte is the hierarchy of sciences, in which he divide the science, so all sciences on the basis of complex and simple and complex base. The hierarchy of sciences, Comte felt that and division on several established success showed that only that the human thoughts in general have passed through these three stages. But each subject was developed in some way. That is, each subject has evolved from a general, simple level to a highly complex level. So he says the final arrangement of the succession in terms of their emergence, the emergent complexity level. So he says complex is the sociology is a very complex subject because it is comes in the hierarchy last place in the hierarchy of division of society. Subject the sociology comes in last stage. The like he classified like maths on the first place, after that the astronomy, physics, chemistry, biology, and sociology. It is the most complex subject sciences, because it has to study the most complex matter, that is the society. So this is the classification of so Auguste Comte on the basis of simple and complex level. Uh, so this is all about Auguste Comte. Thanks for listening.